We're now making another video of our Wurlitzer 1400 restoration. Since last time, removed the decking, cleaned the metal part of the mechanism. See it pretty good inside now. Most of the door has been stripped down, but you can see how really dirty it is. We're going to literally remove the door off the cabinet and clean it up because it's in rough shape. We've also decided to re-veneer the cabinet. Let's see, with the laminate is simply coming undone. The cabinet is really not in too bad of condition, but there are some areas that are damaged, and even if the finish is stripped off, not really sure if it could be saved. So we're ordering just simply new walnut veneer, and we'll put it on and restain it. That way it will have a very, very good presentation for the cabinet. Now, if you can see the pilasters, they appear to be almost yellow. They're discolored, but they'll clean up fine. One thing we have completed is our keyboard. Title cards. Well, I guess I should turn it right side up. Oh, that'll make a difference. The title cards. We've also remade these diffusers, so they are now in place. Cleaning the keyboard, all the switches, has used floor wax in solution to clean off all the dirt. A little bit of scouring powder then roughs the connections up. We have to just check the connections individually. We'll be working on the tone arms soon to get them so they will properly track. There's some tracking issues right now. And of course the cabinet. We're going to pull the mechanism totally out so that the cabinet can be re-veneered. So we're moving along. Just got to make sure we treat all the remaining parts gently. Keyboard comes out as a unit, so it's kind of nice to get it out so it could be cleaned up. So, more on our Wurlitzer 1400 later on.